Hey everybody, happy Fiber Friday. What that means, it is Friday and we are doing fiber today. And whenever you do fiber, guys, it's not just a small little job that you don't need to be paying attention to. It's extremely important, especially when there are live fibers nearby. So paying attention to the existing environment is more important than worrying about your own scope of work. Unless you want an office lady to come here into the IT closet and slap you across the head for knocking her off the internet, okay? So what we're doing today, guys, is we've got a new client, and this client took over this large warehouse, and I know it looks real messy in there, like what in the world? But don't worry, that's not my work. We do much better job. But you can tell this looked good at one time, but the tenant that moved out pulled out the rack, as they call it, and I call that letting the cables just throw up on the floor, because it's pretty much what they did. But what I really want to pay attention to here is we got two black armored fibers that are coming down. Prior to being called out to help this customer out, some other technician did do a makeshift job of hooking up one of the fibers to this network switch. And as you can tell, there's the fiber strands. There's no fiber tray. In fact, there's no fiber patch cords. It just comes straight from the fiber cable. That's that black cable. Transitions to those single strands. That's 6 strands: blue, orange, green, brown, slate, white. If you're a fiber tech, you know that color code. But if you're not, I just told it to you. Okay, that's the 6-strand fiber color code. And what you want to do, guys, before you get your work set up is you want to have everything in place. In this case, I was even able to score a nice executive office chair to make my work a little easier. But when I go ahead, and this Corning kit is awesome. It's got this hook, allows you to hang your fiber termination kit. Don't forget these, guys. These are your Corning fiber wipes. These are lint-free wipes. And remember to always wipe with alcohol and use pure alcohol. This is 99.9% alcohol pad. If you buy alcohol at the drugstore, it might be 75%, which means it has water in it, and water is going to cause your fiber to fail. So again, what I'm going to be doing is I'll be taking a seat in this nice comfy chair. I've already worked really hard at building this cabinet rack. They actually call it a skeleton rack. And I like to go ahead and take some of my tools out of my fiber kit and go ahead and put them up here. As you guys know, this is your cleaver, and cleaving is the most important part of fiber, okay? That is the most important part of fiber, is the cleave. This is the Unicam termination kit. We'll talk to you guys about that more later. Here are the Unicam's connectors, Unicam connectors rather. Guys, so you don't forget, go ahead and take your boot and your pin clip right there and put those on first. Because if you forget, you'll have to put your connector on, then you'll have to go back and put a boot on. But you can't. You have to cut a boot to put it on. And if you see a cut boot, it just shows that the guy, hey, at least he put the boot on, but he failed to put it on prior to terminations. This is the this is the best fiber stripper tool that I've used yet. This is made by Gennard. This tool rocks, okay? This is a 3-hole fiber tool, but you only need to use this second one here to remove the jacket, and then this bottom one here to remove the cladding. But super great tool. And we're gonna get busy terminating. Again, happy Fiber Friday to all y'all, and I hope y'all have a very nice weekend. Thank you for watching.